Greetings to all. We are presenting our paper on bibliometric analysis of Green HRM in Scopus database. The paper is co-authored by Shiju CR and Dr. Vineet KM. Green HRM is a relatively new notion that is gaining traction across the globe. Various individuals have different interpretations of it. Efforts to enhance energy efficiency or minimize pollutants caused by our homes, businesses, and general living patterns are referred to as going green. The primary goal of being green is to lessen the negative environmental effect that energy consumption and pollutants may have. The phrase green HRM is most often used to describe how HR policies and practices contribute to a company's overall environmental strategy. It refers to enlisting the help of each and every employee to promote sustainable practices and raise employee knowledge and commitment to the problem. Employee involvement in environmental management has a positive impact on the environment, according to the review, with evidence of an association with key outcomes such as efficient resource use, reduced waste and pollution, as well as some evidence of a positive impact on employee outcomes such as increased job satisfaction. Statement of the problem. Bibliometric analysis is a comparative evaluation of written scientific articles, books, or book pages, and it is a valuable tool for assessing the effect of publishing on the scientific world. The number of times a piece of study is cited by other scholars is a strong measure of its intellectual value. A bibliometric analysis, also known as a citation classic research style, is a popular method for assessing an article's impact as well as identifying prominent authors and sources. This paper attempts to present a concise report of the bibliometric analysis result on articles in the area of green HRM as a keyword in Scopus database. Green HRM being an emerging field of study, 256 documents could be traced from the Scopus database from the period from 1982 to 2021. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. Coming to the analysis part, out of the 256 documents traced from Scopus database, article from Renwick, Redman, and Maguire have the maximum citations, followed by the article by K. Jyoti with 306 citations. Considering the documents by year, the research output via publication is showing a tremendous increase in recent years as compared to previous decades. 66 documents were produced in 2020, which has been the highest so far. 2021 have witnessed 26 documents till May 2021. Considering the documents per year by source, we could see that Journal of Cleaner Publication and International Journal of Human Resource Management have the maximum number of articles so far in this field with green HRM as keyword. By considering the documents by author, Yusulisa MY and Jabor CJC are the top contributing authors with maximum articles in green HR. University Science Malaysia and University Malaysia Terengganu are the most prominent affiliations of authors in the area of green HR. Considering documents by country, Malaysia is the top contributing country in this field of research, followed by US, China, and India. And we could see that 84% of the documents in the Scopus database are research articles in this field, with 5% each in conference papers and reviews. Green human resource management is a set of policies, practices, and systems that encourage employees to engage in environmentally conscious, resource efficient, and socially responsible behavior in order to create an environmentally conscious, resource efficient, and socially responsible organization. The research in this field is emerging. More theories are expected to arise with policy implications. Thank you.